Hi, Assalamualaikum. We meet again for our English lesson for today with me, Miss Adiba. Today we are going to continue our topic, Go Green. Okay? Go Green. We're going to look at our objectives first before we start with our lesson. This one, we're going to read a text of a speech together. We're going to read and try to talk a bit about what the speech is about. And then we're going to answer 5 comprehension questions about the speech. We're going to discuss 5 comprehension questions after we read the text. Are you ready? Okay. Before we start, please take your textbook and turn to page 54. Okay, the text of a speech that I'm going to read with you, that we are going to read together, is on page 54. So this is the text. So the title is Saving Our Environment. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? I am Mr. Tan, the advisor to the Junior Environment Club. I am here to talk about how young people like you can save our Mother Earth. First, switch off and unplug all electrical gadgets when not in use. If we do not switch off televisions, computers, laptops, or telephone chargers, they would still consume electricity. Therefore, switch off and unplug the gadgets to save on power consumption. Next, switch to energy efficient lights. Fluorescent or LED light bulbs last longer and use less electricity than conventional bulbs. So, switch to energy efficient lights because they are long-lasting and economical. You can also collect rainwater. You can use it to water plants, clean drains, and porches. Thus, collecting rainwater helps to conserve water and save on water bills. Last but not least, please avoid using disposable items. Plastic cups, bags, and containers take a minimum of 20 years to decompose. You can use your own bags or refuse to accept plastic bags when shopping. Hence, you can reduce the amount of waste going into landfills. To conclude, I hope you, as the next generation, would protect and save our Mother Earth. I would like to end my speech by saying, keep the future bright, turn off the light. Thank you. So this is a speech by Mr. Tan, the advisor to the Junior Environment Club. So he talks about how young people like us, like you, can save the Mother Earth. Okay, boleh bantu selamatkan bumi. Okay, so Mr. Tan gives 4 main ideas. Remember main ideas supporting details? Okay, so Mr. Tan ada bagi 4 main ideas. Okay, the first one is switch off and unplug all electrical gadgets when not in use. For the first main idea. And second paragraph, he talks about energy efficient lights. Okay. The third paragraph, he gives suggestions on how to conserve water. We can collect rain water to water our plants, drains, clean our drains and porches. It also can help to save our water bills. Boleh jimatkan bil air. Last but not least, please avoid using disposable items. So this is Mr. Tan's 4th main idea. Okay, avoid using disposable items. Elakkan guna bahan pakai buang. Plastic cups, bags, containers. A minimum of 20 years to decompose. Mengambil masa paling sikit 20 tahun untuk terurai. Right? So to conclude. So this is the conclusion. I hope you as the next generation will protect and save our Mother Earth. Okay? So he already gives you the suggestion. Dia dah bagi cadangan. So it is your job to save our Mother Earth. Now, let's look at the question number 1. What is this speech about? Apakah ucapan tersebut? Ucapan tersebut mengenai apa? Sorry. What is this speech about? You can look at paragraph 1 of the text. Tengok paragraph 1. Kat mana? What is the point? What is the main content of the speech? It is about how young people like you can save our Mother Earth. So the answer is, the speech is about how young people like us. Macam awak, kita, our ni jadi us, can save our Mother Earth. Right? So this is number 1. Number 2. State 3 ways to save our environment. Nyatakan 3 cara untuk selamatkan alam sekitar. So for this question number 2, you can look at paragraph 2 and 5. Paragraph 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 ways. 3 ways. 3 cara. So look for the main ideas. Cari mengenai main ideas. Like we've learned in our previous topic, main idea is the first sentence of the paragraph. Main idea adalah ayat pertama untuk sesuatu perenggan. So 3 ways ni adalah ada pada main ideas dia. Okay, so we have switch off and unplug all electrical gadgets when not in use. Next one. Switch to energy efficient lights. Another one. Collect rain water. Last but not least, please avoid using disposable items. Dia dah 3 je. We have 4, right? So, just choose 3. Okay? Daripada 4 ni, pilih Tiga saja. Mana-mana tiga. Any three. So we have switch to energy efficient lights, switch off and unplug all electrical gadgets when not in use, avoid using disposable items. Any three. Mana-mana tiga daripada empat ni. Okay? So you complete number 2 and number 3. So kalau soalan tanya state, macam ni je lah. Just nyatakan je. Tak perlu ayat yang panjang. Direct to the answers. Question 3. What happens when we do not switch off or unplug our electrical appliances? What happen? Apa jadi? Kalau, when, bila. Bila kita tak tutup, tak cabut plug peralatan elektrik. So, look at this page and it's in paragraph number 2. Paragraph 2. First, switch off and unplug all electrical gadgets when not in use. If we do not switch off televisions, computers, laptops or telephone chargers, they would still consume electricity. So, yang ni, television, computer, laptops and telephone chargers ni electrical appliances lah kan? So, if we do not switch off our electrical appliances, they would still consume electricity. So how do you write your answers? Okay. If we do not switch off or unplug our electrical appliances, they would still consume electricity. Okay, complete these sentences and that is the answer for number 3. Question number 4. What is the difference between fluorescent and conventional light bulbs? Apakah perbezaan fluorescent and conventional light bulbs? Okay, this one you can look at paragraph 3. Yes, paragraph 3. Okay. Fluorescent or LED light bulbs last longer and use less electricity than conventional bulbs. This is one point. Another one is long-lasting and economical. So, you have two choices. Awak ada dua pilihan untuk jawab nombor 4. Either one. Okay, you can choose either one. Let's say you're going to choose this. Long-lasting and economical. So, he said, fluorescent light bulbs are long-lasting and more economical than conventional light bulbs. Another answer is this one. Fluorescent or LED light bulbs last longer and use less electricity than conventional bulbs. So you can choose either one. Choose either one. Okay? For the answers. Difference. Sebab dia tanya perbezaan fluorescent and conventional. Number 5. How do we conserve water? Conserve water. Which paragraph? Conserve water. Yes, this paragraph. You can also collect rainwater. You can use it to water plants, clean drains and porches. Thus, collecting rainwater helps to conserve water. Collecting rainwater helps to conserve water. So how do we write the answers? We can collect rainwater and use it to water plants, clean drains and porches. Boleh? Ataupun awak nak buat jawapan satu lagi. Collecting rainwater helps to conserve water. Boleh juga. Sama macam tadi. Choose either one. I'll accept either one. Okay? I'll accept both answers. Sorry. I'll accept both answers. You can choose either one. Saya terima dua-dua. So, pilih salah satu. Alright. Now, your task for today. Answer and complete all the 5 questions, comprehension questions. Jawab dan lengkapkan 5 soalan pemahaman tadi. And then guess the meaning of the words based on the speech. Okay, cuba teka makna perkataan-perkataan ni berdasarkan petikan. Okay, cuba teka dulu. Baca balik petikan tu and then cuba teka. Consume ni apa maksud? Efficient ni apa? Conventional ni apa? Conserve apa? Disposable apa? Decompose apa? And then do it in your exercise book. If you have your exercise book, do it in your exercise book. And then as usual, take a photo of your completed work and submit it to our Google Classroom. Okay? That's all. Thank you. And all the best in completing your work. See you in next lesson.